Hi, today we're going to be making a cheese ball. This is one I've done before, but I wanted to come back to it because I want to try something different with it. And the one thing I do remember about this is that it does require breadcrumbs to keep it together, because all these cheeses are dairy-free. And so, and some of them are dips also. But I'm doing it slightly different because most of these are cream cheeses. So the first one I'm adding in is Miyoko's cream cheese. And it is made from cashew milk. And so a lot of this is I'm trying to get rid of some of these cheeses because they've been around for a while. There's that one. And then I'm going to move on to the So Delicious cream cheese. And I have two of these. One of them is almost out because I used it for the frosting for the carrot cake cupcakes that I did. And that video is still doing pretty good. But this is another Easter idea that I had, and I do notice that some people are still celebrating Easter even after today. So for some people, it goes on for another week. And this is this is called Cheese Wizard, and it's a medical cheese. Currently, the price is $7.49, so it's come down quite a lot as far as pricing. I'm just going to add one in. I do use a lot of this stuff. And this is one of the Tofuties things. This is one of their newer things. It's it happens when you soften it too much. And so it's important that these cream cheeses be softened, but not so much that they're liquid. Okay. And now the other cream cheese. And this is the other So Delicious cream cheese. Most of these are pretty close to a full container. But the So Delicious is probably one of the lower ones. And it's kind of a newer one, which I kind of like. I've used this one a lot. And now we're gonna add in some breadcrumbs. And this did require a lot of breadcrumbs last time. And one thing I didn't think about, these are gluten-free breadcrumbs, so they are one of the lower ones I found, but I forgot to open it. So, these are 2 grams of protein. And I follow a low protein diet, mainly. With me, protein can cause heart attacks, strokes, seizures, and a lot of things. If it goes on too long, it can build up in my system, and that's when it runs into a problem. So I'm going to turn this on. It's going to get kind of noisy. And so, and just blend it up. So the breadcrumbs are kind of like a skeleton for this thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish this off tomorrow after it hardens, and then we can then I can show you what it looks like. Hello again. So today I'm gonna be finishing off the carrot cake. I mean the cheese ball that we started last night. And so the reason why I have the shot glass here, and if you can't see it, I'm going to rearrange here. There, that should be better. Hopefully you can see it now. So I'm going to cut around this to kind of give it a round shape. And with that, sometimes they'll give it to us, sometimes they won't. Daiya is one that does. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this cheese ball so it looks orange, like a carrot, in the cheese. And this is the other thing I remember, nothing sticks to these cheeses. But, okay. So this took about half the package, maybe. Because I'm not using the whole cheese ball, we cut a lot of it away. Good snack for later. As is the other one. Okay, that's probably as good as I'm going to get it. So all of this can be saved for later. And for right now, I'm going to put it in one of these that I saved from last night. And then all that's left is to garnish it with the parsley. So here's that. And oh, if you please like, subscribe, share, and comment I thank you for your time.